Hello students, hope you all are fine. I am your class 3 social science teacher Narasa Brine. Students, this is our topic for today's class, the cities of Pakistan. Just like any other country, Pakistan has many cities, towns and villages. The local government of our country looks and take care of the services in the cities and towns. Students, here are the names of the most important cities of Pakistan. I will read the names and you will repeat after me. Islamabad, Islamabad, Lahore, Lahore, Faisalabad, Faisalabad, Peshawar, Peshawar, Multan, Multan, Quetta, Quetta, Sakhar, Sakhar, Hyderabad, Hyderabad, and the last one is Karachi, Karachi. Children, you can see this map. In this map, there is also the names of the cities of Pakistan. This is Islamabad, Peshawar, Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Quetta, Sakhar, Hyderabad and Karachi. This is the picture of Islamabad city. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Which city is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Students, the picture which is in front of you is a picture of Faisalabad city. Faisalabad is called an industrial city of Pakistan. Faisalabad is called industrial city because there are hundreds of factories there. Therefore, Faisalabad is the largest industrial city of Pakistan. Mostly the factories in Faisalabad are the textile factories. My dear children, this is our city Karachi, where we live. Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan. Karachi is located on the Arabian Sea as you see in this map. Children, look, here is our country Pakistan and the city Karachi is here on the Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea, and on the Arabian Sea our city Karachi is located. This is the port of Karachi. It is used by traders for the export and import of goods. In other words, we can say that it is used for business purpose to buy and sell different things. Students, many times when we have holidays or we have any other occasions in our family or in our relatives, we go to their place and we travel. We have 3 different ways of traveling in our country or from one city to another. They are roads, rail and air routes. These 3 things linked all the cities and towns. Some cities are linked by air routes. If we want to travel by air, we use airplane to go from one city to another. This is also the fastest way of traveling. It saves our time. These are an intercity buses. We use them to travel from one city to another. They take passengers to different cities by road. Here is the picture of a Pakistan Railways carriage. In simple words, we say train. Many of us use this way of transport to move from one city to another. Students, this was our topic for today. Now here is your home task. You have to answer the following questions. Name the important cities of Pakistan. Why is Faisalabad called an industrial city of Pakistan? Which is the largest city of Pakistan? Where is it located? Number 4. Which city is the capital of Pakistan? You have to do your homework on foolscap sheet. Submit it in the school office every Wednesday from 9 to 11 with your name and class written on it. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. God bless you all. Thank you.